It is that time of the year again where the flowers are blooming, the sun is shining, and new words are in season. In this video, I'm going to teach you some useful English words for spring. Welcome to Zenfluent Maria. I'm Maria, and today I'm going to teach you some useful English vocabulary for spring, so stay tuned. Now is a great time to learn some new words and phrases because the weather is getting nicer and we're all starting to feel a bit more cheerful. So let's jump into it. As the weather starts to warm up, many of us are looking forward to enjoying the springtime. There is just something about the fresh air and new beginnings that comes with this season that makes people happy. If you're looking to join in on the spring excitement, it helps to know some key vocabulary words for spring. Here are a few of the most important ones you should know. The first one is bloom. So to bloom means to produce flowers. When a flower blooms, it means the flower is open. And when a tree or a plant blooms, it means it produces flowers. The blooming time starts in spring and lasts throughout summer. For example, the flowers in my garden started to bloom. The second word is equinox. Equinox is the time of the year when the day and the night are the same length. This happens twice a year. We have a spring equinox and a fall equinox, and it usually represents changes of seasons and new beginnings. For example, very strong winds are common during a spring equinox. The third word is breeze. A breeze is a gentle wind which is very comfortable, even pleasant. Informally, it can also mean a thing that is very easy to accomplish, or if used as a verb, to breeze means to go through something with ease. For example, a pleasant breeze touched her cheeks and neck. Informally, we can say, passing that English test was a breeze, meaning the test was very easy. Or if we use breeze as a verb, for example, after I finished my meal, I breezed out of this restaurant. The fourth word is pollen. Pollen is a yellow powdery substance which is produced by flowers. Pollen fertilizes other flowers and helps them grow. Insects, birds, or the wind are spreading pollen between plants. Now, pollen is not that great for people, especially if you're allergic to it. For example, bees feed on honey and pollen. The fifth word is balmy. So balmy is something that is soothing and has a pleasant feeling, often medicinal. When we say that the weather is balmy, for example, it means that the weather is warm and pleasant, just like springtime. For instance, the weather on Easter was balmy, which added to our enjoyment for the day. The sixth word is spring cleaning. Now, once winter is over, we put away our winter clothes and we take out our spring and summer clothes. Now, this is the time when we do a full house cleaning called spring cleaning. Now, spring cleaning refers to thoroughly cleaning the entire house, which usually happens once a year in spring. For example, she is busy today doing the spring cleaning. The seventh word for today is hay fever. Now, hay fever is an allergic reaction to pollen, and it happens when pollen comes into contact with our mouth or nose or eyes and throat. It has all symptoms of a cold, but it is not considered a virus. For example, she took a herbal remedy for her hay fever. The next word is to spring to mind. To spring to mind means when something suddenly appears in your thoughts, or when you instantly remember of someone or of something. So let's say when someone mentions Italy, delicious pasta and tasty wine springs to mind. The next word is spring fever. So when someone mentions fever, we immediately think of an illness. But when we say spring fever, we don't mean an illness, but rather the change of the mood that people experience with the start of spring. This can be anything from laziness, moodiness, excitement, restlessness, etc. For example, you seem full of energy recently. I think I have a spring fever. The next word is spring in your step. Now, if you walk or have a spring in your step, it means that you are walking or feeling so enthusiastic and full of energy. For example, he had a spring in his step after he won the lottery. The next word is spring break. Now, spring break is the time when the schools have vacation, and it usually happens in April around Easter time. Now, many students have this amazing opportunity to travel or just have a good time and party during this time. For example, many students travel to Spain during their spring break. The next word is no spring chicken. So what does it mean? This expression is used for someone who is no longer young or someone who is past their adulthood. It refers to the person's appearance and abilities that show up when they're no longer young. For example, she looks pretty good considering she's no spring chicken. And that's it! Springtime is a great time to freshen up your vocabulary skills. I'm curious to know how many of these phrases and words did you know? Do you have any other suggestions? If you do, I would love to know, so share yours in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped give you a little boost in your language skills. Spring is a great season to learn new things, so keep up the good work. And if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me thumbs up to support me. I wish you a wonderful, beautiful day, stay zen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.